I just gave
Man, well, play it then, Rico. I'm sick of this.
I gotta record this to get my phone.
All these bitches wanna come around when you the man, but where was they at when you ain't had no band? See these bitches on my dick and all they wanna do is expand. So I made a master plan, find a plug and move them grams. I just wanna get peas and go put all the mans. Sit back, make a killing, go feed all of the fam. But what you gon' do when I'm fast tryna go? Tryna lock you in a cell and take all of your dough. See, I've been in the game ever since 15. All I knew was certain fiends had dope boy dreams. Everything I do it for the team, that's on me. Youngest out here doing it, but biggest in the streets. You can't relate cause you wasn't in my position. They be talking to 12, so that's the opposition. Putting on a book, go ahead and free all of my dogs. But you ain't write a letter to the county, boy, you wrong. How you gon' write a song if it's not truthful? Always thought moving grams was gon' be my future. I can't even do this no more, all y'all phony. When I got pulled over in the Benz was by my lonely. First day touchdown, had to make a decision. Could I ever put myself in that type of position? Bitch call me a trophy cause she know we really winning. Every time I see her, yeah, we be talking business. Got rid of my ex, so I guess it's good riddance. I went crazy on the beat, so it's no forgiveness. Kill a pussy quick cause he swear that he with it. Shoot him in the face to make sure he ain't see shit. Do it quick, move them bricks, stack it up and flip the shit. Show you how we do it, bitch, fuck 12 ain't stopping shit. To the max, get them stacks, count it up, rewind it back. Do a dash, call me Flash with this cash. Doing that, big ass facts, get the strap, release the Mac, no strings attached. Spin the block, rewind it, yeah, that's how we doing that. Ever since I got out, shit's been different. Gotta be low, can't afford no sentence. She kinda like me, say it's my appearance. Fuck her one night, kick it out, so serious. I don't wanna talk no more, y'all blew it. Used to be on the block, now I can't do it. Everybody with their hands out, Rain-wyatt, you was doing it for clout. Now I can't amount to the shit I've been blessed with. Gotta go crazy, something I can't be messed with. Used to pick up a peanut, I'm picking up a check, bitch, in a fucking Lexus. Got my mama stressing cause I'm a fucking felon. Riding with a weapon, looking for revenge. Hoping that I win, God gon' give in. Got family to feed, and friends who in need. Everybody depending on me like I don't fucking see. Steady in the booth, not on my knees. Still in the fucking street, screaming fuck the law, G.
Hey, y'all already know who it is, back down like SmackDown. But I don't do that rapping shit, I'ma let Lil Bro do it.